Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, July 28th, and the first thing I want to show you is this gorgeous quilt. This is called Cheer and Merriment. It's a kit by Moda Fabrics, and it uses a panel for those larger blocks where you've got words and pictures in the middle. So that helps make it a simpler make. This was made by Georgia and quilted by our long arm team with holly and berries. The thing I really want to point out, and this is true for every Moda kit I've ever encountered, is that they give you so much fabric that you have almost enough to create a whole backing. Georgia just added about a yard or two more. Is that what she said? Just these strips right here is all that she had to add to create really what is a double-sided quilt. So perfect for if you want to make more than one, or if you like to use up your scraps in the backing like Georgia and I do. But this is a great Christmas quilt, and I love the colors. I think it's nice and modern, somewhat new looking, but I like the addition of the gold in there as well. So again, this is called Cheer and Merriment. The kit is right over here. We have them here at the shop. It finishes at 58 inches by 66 inches. So feel free to grab one of those and get started because Christmas will be here before we know it. Just keep telling yourself that now that we're at the end of summer. Um, this next bolt is a single. We're waiting on its friends. This is called Neon Nature, and I love it. I just love it. I love the way you can kind of see through the leaves to the other leaves. Turn fall colors on their heads with this eye-catching print by Timeless Treasures. So there we have that, just kind of a standalone. And then over here we have Queen Bee. So let me show you these. These fabrics will make the perfect project for your favorite queen bee. Sunflowers, bees, and honeycombs in black, creams, and honey golds will coordinate beautifully for quilts, tote bags, and more. And this is also by Timeless Treasures. So I imagine all those things came in the box together. Look at that. If you look really close, you'll see some teensy tiny bees. They're not the scary looking ones. I tell you, ever since bees and honey sort of became a thing, you get all types. There's some scary looking ones. There's some sweet looking ones. There's ones with eyeballs. I kind of like these. They're just real, but not scary. That one's great. I love that piece. Oh, I guess, yeah. See the crowns? That's fun. It's kind of a toss. You've got crowns going each way. And then here's a really interesting honeycomb print with some background interest in there as well. That's fun. I like the texture on that. And then we have another honeycomb print that looks a bit like the chicken wire. And then this one, wow, the colors in that are so pretty. I think I'm becoming a yellow person, which would be a first for me because I'm definitely a purple girl. So purple and yellow, complementary colors. We can make it work. That's what we have for you today. Tomorrow we will be back here with more fabric and more fun for you. I hope you have a great afternoon and find some time to sew. Talk to you later.